The 2020 Cricket World Cup is upon us. Which country is going to win this coveted 2020 tournament is what we are going to discuss in this video. All people who have been watching my videos would know that I talk about certain years having the captains who are born in specific duration who have the higher possibilities of winning a major tournament. And the 2020 World Cup is definitely a major tournament. And which year born captains are going to be competing in this year? Okay, so you can say a 1986 87 born captain or a 1990 born captain has got the higher chances of winning the tournament. So, who are the captains in fray? Let's start with the 1990 born captains. We have only one really good 1990 born captain. I'm not seeing any kind of a surprise in this 2020 World Cup. I'm not expecting a Sri Lanka or a Bangladesh or a Zimbabwe to really win. It doesn't really look like. So who their captains are really doesn't matter. So the actual play or actual competition is between the top teams. So let's discuss the top teams. So let me start with the 1990 born captain, the captain of New Zealand, and that is Kane Williamson. Kane Williamson, does he have it in him to win a ICC tournament or a World Cup? Yes, he definitely has, and he has already won. Okay, a 1990 born captain is definitely born to win a ICC tournament, and he has just won that. He has won the Test Championship, the inaugural Test Championship, which is a huge thing. Okay, he'll always be called as the first captain to win a Test Championship, which is a big thing. So, which means he has already, I wouldn't say he has exhausted his karmic quota of success, but I would say that it is really difficult for any captain to win back-to-back ICC tournament. So, I'm not really expecting Kane Williamson to do that. So, New Zealand is very clearly out of the fray. So, now we are only left with the 1986 or 87 born captains. Oh, but Virat Kohli is 1988 born. Who said that? Who said that? Okay. Mind you, my dear friend, Virat Kohli is not born in 88. Okay. Forget about what Wikipedia tells you. He is a 86 born. Okay. So, Virat Kohli definitely has it in him to win a World Cup, and then we also need to look at three more captains, which is England's captain Ian Morgan. Then we're looking at, of course, Karen Pollard of West Indies, and then we shouldn't forget Aaron Finch of Australia. So these are the four different captains who are in fray. So let's eliminate one by one. Let's start with England's captain Ian Morgan. Ian Morgan has definitely exhausted his karmic quota of success because he has won a 50 over World Cup. Now that is a big thing. It comes once in 4 years, and if you win that as a captain, then you become a legend in a lifetime. And he has brought a World Cup to his country after so many years. I think it was the first ICC tournament to be won by England, so it's a big deal. Okay, so he has already exhausted his karmic quota of success, and I don't see him winning another major tournament. Okay, so he's out of the question. So now we are left with three teams. That is England, India, Australia, and of course West Indies. Now, if you're going to rank these three teams, I would say that it's very difficult to say which team is going to win. All the three teams have equal chances to win. Yes, I wouldn't be surprised if either of the three teams win, and I'm sure that there is no need for any astrologer to tell you that. It's common sense. These are the top three teams in the world, and England is also a very strong team, and even New Zealand is a very strong team. But I'm taking away these two teams, and I would say that the winner would come only out of these three. It's either going to be India or Australia, or it will be West Indies. Okay, so within this three, it has to be from this three. But within this three, if I'm going to rank if I'm going to take away one team, I would say I would take off West Indies. The reason, because West Indies as a team has won two 2020 tournaments. Okay, and mind you, most of these people, the core of the team consists of almost the same set of players who have actually won the last two 2020 World Cup, okay, under Darren Sammy. So the core is almost the same. Okay, so there is going to be some people here and there, but then the core is almost the same. The coach is also the same. So I think that probably West Indies would lose out. So it's directly between these two teams, that is India and Australia. In fact, people who have read my book shouldn't find this as a surprise. in 91 predictions, actually I have written that, either India or Australia would win the T20 World Cup, and one of them would win this 2021 event, and another one would win probably the next T20 tournament. So it's a difficult pick for me. I don't know who's going to win. It can be Aaron Finch who's going to be holding the cup, or it can be India's our own Virat Kohli, King Kohli, holding the World Cup. Either of the two will win. Let's see. Both the teams are extremely powerful. Both the teams have fantastic coaches. Both the teams have the real good players in the playing 11. There is nothing to differentiate between the two, and either of them will win. And both of them, if I understand correctly, it seems even both of them could be even born on full moon days. Okay, so both the captains are superb. Both the teams are like fabulous. Even Australia, if you look at it, Aaron Finch and his opening partner, both of them, I mean, like they're fantastic players, but then they haven't won a T20 World Cup between them, which is very surprising. Okay, and even if you look at, India hasn't won a World Cup under Virat Kohli, so it is really, really surprising again. Okay, you have Rohit Sharma in the team and you have not won a World Cup. Okay, that is really, really okay. Okay, but Rohit Sharma was there in the very, very first tournament, but then he didn't really play a major role in that. So he could have a major role in playing in this tournament. But whatever it is, it's either going to be India or Australia. That is what I feel it's going to be. But don't be surprised if even West Indies win this.